Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. We have come up with special MCQ series based on a competitive book of agriculture by Nemrat Sunda. We'll come up with more subject-wise MCQ series from this book. This is part 12 and today we'll cover the topics from plant breeding and genetics. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Question number 1. Among pre-Mendelian heredity theories, the theory of epigenesis is given by dash. The options are Weizmann, Charles Darwin, Wolff or Lamarck. The correct answer is option C, Wolff. So among pre-Mendelian heredity theories, the theory of epigenesis is given by Wolff. So let's know more about the pre-Mendelian heredity theories. So theory of epigenesis is given by Wolff, as we know. Theory of acquired characters was given by Lamarck. Theory of pangenesis was given by Charles Darwin. Theory of germplasm was given by Weizmann, and chromosomal theory of inheritance was given by Sutton and Boveri. Question number 2. Father of botany is dash. The options are Aristotle, J.G. Mendel, Theophrastus or G. Haberland. The correct answer is option C, Theophrastus. So father of botany is Theophrastus. Let's know more about the fathers related to plant breeding and genetics. So father of tissue culture is G. Haberland. Father of botany is Theophrastus, as we know. Father of zoology is Aristotle, and father of genetics is G.J. Mendel. Question number 3. In mitochondria, type of ribosome found is dash. The options are only 80S, only 70S, only 50S, or both 70 and 80S. The correct answer is option B, both only 70S. So in mitochondria, type of ribosome found is only 70S. Question number 4. Dash is an important source of male sterility in sorghum. The options are TIFT 60, combined Kafir 60, TIFT 23A, or both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. So both TIFT 60 and combined Kafir 60 is an important source of male sterility in sorghum, whereas TIFT 23A is the case in pearl millet. Question number 5. The shortest phase of all mitosis phase is dash. The options are prophase, anaphase, metaphase, or telophase. The correct answer is option B, anaphase. So the shortest phase of all mitosis phase is anaphase. Question number 6. Theory of natural selection was proposed by. The options are G. Mendel, Charles Darwin, Lamarck, or none of these. The correct answer is option B, Charles Darwin. So theory of natural selection was proposed by Charles Darwin. Let's know more about some important theories in genetics. So theory of inheritance was given by G. Mendel. Theory of acquired characters was given by Lamarck. Theory of natural selection was given by Charles Darwin, and cell theory was given by Sladen and Schwann. Question number 7. The cell cycle is divided into 3 stages: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Among these, the longest stage of cell cycle is dash. The options are interphase, mitosis, cytokinesis, or none of the above. The correct answer is option A, interphase. So the cell cycle is divided into 3 stages: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. Among these, the longest stage of cell cycle is interphase. Question number 8. A common crop of natural autotetraploids grown in India is dash. The options are banana, wheat, potato, or sugarcane. The correct answer is option C, potato. So a common crop of natural autotetraploids grown in India is potato. Question number 9. Type of male sterility used in hybrid seed production of pearl millet is dash. The options are genetic male sterility, cytoplasmic male sterility, cytoplasmic genetic male sterility, or none of the above. The correct answer is option C, cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. So type of male sterility used in hybrid seed production of pearl millet is cytoplasmic genetic male sterility. Question number 10. The term meiosis is given by dash. The options are Fleming, Scladen and Squarn, Morgan, or Former and Murray. The correct answer is option D, Former and Murray. So the term meiosis is given by Former and Murray. Let's know more about the important terms in genetics. So the term mitosis was given by Fleming. The term meiosis is given by Former and Murray. The term pure line, phenotype, gene and genotype was given by W. Johansen. The term nucleus was given by Robert Brown. The term protoplasm was given by J. E. Purkinje. The term protoplast was given by Hans Steen. Question number 11. The chromosome firstly observed by dash. The options are Strasburger, Waldeyer, Vavilon or C. Benda. The correct answer is option A, Strasburger. So the chromosome firstly observed by Strasburger, whereas Waldeyer coined the term chromosome, Vavilon gave the center of origin, and C. Benda discovered mitochondria. Question number 12. Which of the following fungi is used in genetics? The options are E. coli, Drosophila melanogaster, Neurospora crassa, or both A and C. The correct answer is option C, Neurospora crassa. So Neurospora crassa is the fungi which is used in genetics. Let's know more about the organisms used in genetics. So the organism bacteria is E. coli. The organism fungi is Neurospora crassa. The insect used is Drosophila melanogaster, and in plant used is maize and pea. Question number 13. The size of bacterial cell ranges from dash. The options are 0.02 to 0.5 microns, 0.2 to 5 microns, 2 to 5 microns or 75 millimeter. The correct answer is option B, 0.2 to 5 microns. So the size of bacterial cell ranges from 0.2 to 5 microns, whereas 75 millimeter, it is the largest cell size, which is of an ostrich egg cell. Question number 14. Endoplasmic reticulum is not found in dash. The options are RBCs, embryonic cell, prokaryotic cells, of all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. So endoplasmic reticulum is not found in all the three, which is RBCs, embryonic cell and prokaryotic cells. Question number 15. Dash is also called as endomembrane system. The options are endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, lysosomes or Golgi body. The correct answer is option D, Golgi body. So Golgi body is also called as endomembrane system, whereas lysosomes are also called as suicidal bags. Question number 16. Which of the following cell organelle is a site of hydrolytic enzymes and are found in plant cells only? The options are peroxisome, spherosome, glyoxysome or mitochondria. The correct answer is option B, spherosome. So spherosome is a cell organelle which is a site of hydrolytic enzymes and are found in plant cell only, whereas peroxisome is concerned with glycolate metabolism and glyoxysome is concerned with glyoxylate metabolism. Question number 17. In meiosis, one cell with two set of chromosomes give rise to dash. The options are 2 cells with 1 set of chromosome each, 2 cells with 2 set of chromosomes each, 4 cells with 2 sets of chromosome each, or 4 cells with 1 set of chromosome each. And the correct answer is option D, 4 cells with 1 set of chromosome each. So in meiosis, 1 cell with 2 set of chromosomes give rise to 4 cells with 1 set of chromosome each. Question number 18. In interphase, the DNA synthesis takes place in which stage? The options are G1, S, G2 or all of these. The correct answer is option B, S. So in interphase, the DNA synthesis takes place in S stage, whereas in G1 stage, protein and RNA synthesis takes place. Question number 19. Nucleic acid is composed of dash. The options are nucleoside plus phosphoric acid, sugar plus nitrogen base, many nucleotides or DNA, protein and RNA. The correct answer is option C, many nucleotides. So nucleic acid is composed of many nucleotides, whereas nucleoside plus phosphoric acid is called nucleotide, and sugar plus nitrogen base is called as nucleoside, and DNA, protein and RNA are the chromatin. Question number 20. Dash forms 5 to 10% of the total RNA present in the cell. The options are messenger RNA, mRNA, transfer RNA or tRNA, ribosomal RNA or rRNA, or none of these. The correct answer is option A, messenger RNA, which is mRNA. So mRNA forms 5 to 10% of the total RNA present in the cell, whereas transfer RNA forms 10 to 15% of the total RNA present in the cell, and ribosomal RNA forms 80% of the total RNA present in the cell. Question number 21. Which of the following chromosomal aberration leads to species formation? The options are deletion, translocation, duplication, or both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. So, both deletion and translocation are the chromosomal aberration which leads to species formation. Question number 22. Dash is important cytological tool for mapping genes. The options are colchicine, polyploidy, deletion, or haploid. The correct answer is option C, deletion. So deletion is important cytological tool for mapping genes. Question number 23. Translocation alters the dash. The options are chromosome number, chromosome size, both A and B, or none of the above. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. So translocation alters the chromosome number and chromosome size both. Question number 24. Dash is useful tools in breeding programs for the transfer of desirable characters from one species to another. The options are deletion, inversion, duplication, or translocation. The correct answer is option D, translocation. So translocation is useful tools in plant breeding programs for the transfer of desirable characters from one species to another. Question number 25. The human Down's syndrome is due to which type of chromosomal aberration? The options are deficiency, translocation, inversion, or duplication. The correct answer is option B, translocation. So the human Down's syndrome is due to translocation type of chromosomal aberration. Question number 26. Which of the following statement is not correct? The options are autotriploids are generally highly sterile, autotetraploids are very stable and fertile, allopolyploidy is found in 50% of the crop plants, or wheat is example of autohexaploidy. The correct answer is option D, wheat is example of autohexaploidy. So this statement is not correct. The correct statements are all the three, which is autotriploids are generally high sterile, and autotetraploids are very stable and fertile, and allopolyploidy is found in 50% of the crop plants. The correct version of the last statement is wheat is an example of allohexaploidy. Question number 27. The autotriploid watermelons are seedless. They are produced by crossing dash. The options are monoploids and diploids, tetraploids and diploids, tetraploids and monoploids. The correct answer is option B, tetraploids and diploids. So the autotriploid watermelons are seedless and they are produced by crossing tetraploids and diploids. Question number 28. The Pusa giant variety of Barsim is dash. The options are autotriploid, autotetraploid, allotriploid, or allotetraploid. The correct answer is option D, allotetraploid. So the Pusa giant variety of Barsim is allotetraploid. Question number 29. Triticale is an example of dash. The options are intrageneric polyploidy, intergeneric polyploidy, top cross, or additive gene action. The correct answer is option B, intergeneric polyploidy. So the Triticale is an example of intergeneric polyploidy. Question number 30. An individual having one extra chromosome in the diploid set of chromosomes is known as dash. The options are monosomic, nullisomic, trisomic or tetrasomic. The correct answer is option C, trisomic. So, an individual having one extra chromosome in the diploid set of chromosomes is known as trisomic. Let's know more about aneuploidy. So, aneuploidy is a loss or gain of one or few chromosomes as compared to the somatic chromosome number of a species, and that is known as aneuploidy. So, let's know more about the type of aneuploidy. First is monosomic, which is loss of one chromosome from a diploid set, and it is denoted by 2n minus 1. Next is nullisomic, which is absence of chromosome pair from a diploid set, and it is denoted by 2n minus 2. Next is trisomic, which is individual having one extra chromosome in diploid set and is denoted by 2n plus 1. And tetrasomic, which is individual having one extra pair of chromosome in diploid set and is denoted by 2n plus 2. Question number 31. The law of purity of gametes is also known as dash. The options are the law of independent assortment, the law of segregation, the law of independent segregation. The correct answer is option B, the law of segregation. So the law of purity of gametes is also called as the law of segregation. Question number 32. Inhibitory gene action ratio is dash. The options are 9:7, 13:3, 15:1 or 9:3:4. The correct answer is option B, 13:3. So inhibitory gene action ratio is 13:3. Let's know more about the gene interactions. So for typical dihybrid ratio for single trait, the ratio is 9:3:3:1. For duplicate gene action, the ratio is 15:1. For complementary gene action, the ratio is 9:7. For supplementary gene action, the ratio is 9:3:4. For inhibitory gene action, the ratio is 13:3. For masking gene action, the ratio is 12:3:1. For polymeric gene action, the ratio is 9:6:1. And for additive gene action, the ratio is 1:4:6:4:1. Question number 33. Which among the following mutagen is non-ionizing radiation? The options are alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays or UV rays. The correct answer is option D, UV rays. So UV rays among the following mutagen is non-ionizing radiation. Let's know more about the mutagens. So mutagens are divided into two, which are physical mutagens and chemical mutagens. Under physical mutagens, there are two categories again, ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiations. Under ionizing radiations, the mutagens are alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays and X-rays. And under non-ionizing radiation, the mutagens is UV rays. Under chemical mutagens, there are four classifications again, which are alkylating agents, base analogues, acridine dyes and deamination agents. So under alkylating agents, the mutagens are mustard gas, ethyl methane sulfonate, methyl methane sulfonate and ethyl ethane sulfonate. Under base analogues, the mutagen is 5-bromouracil. Under acridine dyes, the mutagen is acriflavin, and under deamination agents, the mutagen is ethium bromide. Question number 34. The linkage between two or more either dominant AB or recessive small ab allele is referred as dash. The options are synopsis, repulsion, coupling or coincidence. The correct answer is option C, coupling. So the linkage between two or more either dominant or recessive allele is referred as coupling, whereas repulsion is the linkage of dominant allele with that of recessive allele. Question number 35. Sex-linked genes are located on dash. The options are X chromosome only, Y chromosome only, both X and Y chromosomes, or X and Y chromosomes and autosomes? The correct answer is option A, X chromosome only. So sex-linked genes are located on X chromosome only. Question number 36. The characters which are expressed in one sex only, example, breast development in women and beard in man, are referred as dash. The options are sex-influenced traits, sex-linked traits, sex-limited traits, or all of these. The correct answer is option C, sex-limited traits. So the characters which are expressed in one sex only are referred as sex-limited traits. Question number 37. The process of synthesis of messenger RNA from a DNA template is known as dash. The options are translation, reverse transcription, transcription, or none of these. The correct answer is option C, transcription. So the process of synthesis of messenger RNA from a DNA template is known as transcription. Let's know more about transcription, reverse transcription and translation. So in transcription, the process of synthesis of mRNA from a DNA template occurs. DNA to transcriptase plus transcription ions, which forms mRNA. In case of reverse transcription, formation of DNA from mRNA, so it is mRNA to DNA. And in case of translation, the process of protein synthesis from information in mRNA, so it is DNA to mRNA to protein. Question number 38. The transmission of characters controlled by plasma genes is called cytoplasmic inheritance. The first case of cytoplasmic inheritance was reported by, the options are Palade, Harrington, Van der Planck, or Correns. The correct answer is option D, Correns. So the transmission of characters controlled by plasma genes is called cytoplasmic inheritance, and the first case of cytoplasmic inheritance was reported by Correns in 1909 in 4 o'clock plant. Question number 39. The concept of crop ideotype was developed by Donald working with dash crop. The options are maize, cotton, wheat, or brassica. The correct answer is option C, wheat. So the concept of crop ideotype was developed by Donald working with wheat crop. Question number 40. Dash proposed mass pedigree method of breeding, which is a modification of pedigree method. The options are Johansen, Shull, Harrington, or Carl Correns. The correct answer is option C, Harrington. So Harrington proposed mass pedigree method of breeding, which is a modification of pedigree method, and Johansen gave the pure line selection. Question number 41. Dash is oldest method of crop improvement. The options are pedigree method, mass selection, bulk method, or pure line selection. The correct answer is option B, mass selection. So mass selection is the oldest method of crop improvement. Question number 42. Which of the following crop improvement method is also known as mass or population method? The options are mass pedigree method, mass selection, bulk method, or pedigree method. The correct answer is option C, bulk method. So bulk method among the following is the crop improvement method, which is also known as mass or population method. Question number 43. The backcross method of crop improvement is suitable for dash. The options are self-pollinated crops, cross-pollinated crops, asexually propagated crops, or all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. So the backcross method of crop improvement is suitable for all the three, which is self-pollinated crops, cross-pollinated crops, and asexually propagated crops. Question number 44. The seed class which is mainly produced by National Seed Corporation is, the options are nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed, or all of these. The correct answer is option C, foundation seed. So the seed class which is mainly produced by National Seed Corporation is the foundation seed, whereas nucleus seed is by originating plant breeder at Research Institute, and breeder seed is mainly produced at a research institute under supervision of plant breeder. Question number 45. Tetrazolium chloride test is quickest method of seed viability test. In this method, seeds are soaked in dash percentage solution of 2, 3, 5 triphenyl tetrazolium chloride. The options are 0.05%, 0.5 to 2%, 0.1 to 1% or 5%. The correct answer is option B, 0.5 to 2%. So tetrazolium chloride test is quickest method of seed viability test, and in this method seeds are soaked in 0.5 to 2% solution of 2,3,5 triphenyl tetrazolium chloride. Question number 46. GrowDex test is a seed germination indicator test. It's a brand name of dash. The options are 2,3,5 triphenyl tetrazolium bromide, triphenyl tetrazolium bromide, or 3 triphenyl tetrazolium chloride. The correct answer is option B, triphenyl tetrazolium bromide. So GrowDex test is a seed germination indicator test, and it's a brand name of triphenyl tetrazolium bromide. Question number 47. Minimum isolation distance for certified seed production of groundnut and soybean is dash. The options are 3 meter, 30 meter, 100 meter or 25 meter. The correct answer is option A, 3 meter. So minimum isolation distance for certified seed production of groundnut and soybean is 3 meter. Let's know more about the minimum isolation distance. So in rice, wheat, barley, oat, soybean, groundnut, the isolation distance in case of foundation seed is 3 meter and certified seed is 3 meter again. In case of cotton hybrid, the isolation distance of foundation seed is 50 meter and certified seed is 30 meter. In case of tomato, the isolation distance for foundation seed is 50 meter and certified seed is 25 meter. In case of pearl millet hybrid, the isolation distance in foundation seed is 1000 meter and certified seed is 200 meter. In case of maize and sorghum, the foundation seed isolation distance is 400 meter and in case of certified seed it is 200 meter. And in case of onion, the isolation distance in case of both foundation and certified seed is 1000 meter each. Question number 48. Seed index is a weight of dash seeds. The options are 10, 100, 400 or 1000. The correct answer is option B, 100. So seed index is a weight of 100 seeds, whereas the test weight is the weight of 1000 seeds. Question number 49. The germination percentage of maize is highest among field crops. It is about dash. The options are 80%, 85%, 90% or 95%. The correct answer is option C, 90%. So the germination percentage of maize is highest among field crops and it is about 90%. Question number 50. Any treatment that is physical or chemical that weakens the seed coat is known as dash. The options are scarification or stratification. The correct answer is option A, scarification. So any treatment that is physical or chemical that weakens the seed coat is known as scarification. Question number 51. Seed plot technique of potato is developed by Pushkar Nath. In which nucleus seed of potato is produced during dash when aphid population is low in hills? The options are Jan to Feb, April to August, August to December or September to October. The correct answer is option B, April to August. So seed plot technique of potato is developed by Pushkar Nath, in which nucleus seed of potato is produced during April to August when aphid population is low in hills. Question number 52. Seeds of cereals are example of dash. The options are orthodox seed or recalcitrant seed. The correct answer is option A, orthodox seed. So seeds of cereals are example of orthodox seeds. What are orthodox seeds? They are the seeds which remain viable for long time at low temperature and low moisture content. And recalcitrant seeds, the seeds don't remain viable for long time at low temperature and low moisture. Example, mango and coconut seeds. Question number 53. The superiority of F1 over its parents in vegetative growth but not in yield and adoption is called as dash. The options are pseudoheterosis, luxuriance, inbreeding depression or both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. So, the superiority of F1 over its parents in vegetative growth but not in yield and adoption is called as both pseudoheterosis and luxuriance. Question number 54. The hybrid progeny between a single cross and an inbreed is dash. The options are top cross, double cross hybrid, three-way cross hybrid or two-way cross hybrid. The correct answer is option C, three-way cross hybrid. So the hybrid progeny between a single cross and an inbred is three-way cross hybrid. Question number 55. In cross-pollinated crops, a variety developed by mixing the seeds of various genotypes which are similar in maturity, height, seed size, seed color, etc. is called as dash. The options are synthetic variety or composite variety. The correct answer is option B, composite variety. So in cross-pollinated crops, a variety developed by mixing the seeds of various genotypes which are similar in maturity, height, seed size, seed color, etc. is called as composite variety. What is synthetic variety? It is a variety which is developed by intermating in all possible combinations a number of inbred lines with good general combining ability and mixing the seeds of F1 crosses in equal quantity, that is referred to as synthetic variety. It was firstly developed in maize. That was all. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.